Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Front Pilot Assy for Southbend part number 1177447. The Front Pilot Assy for Southbend part number 1177447 is a part used in Southbend commercial ovens. It is a replacement part for the front pilot assembly and includes the pilot bracket, and screws. The pilot assembly is responsible for providing the flame to ignite the gas in the oven. This part should be replaced if it is not working properly or if it has become damaged. This part should be installed by a qualified technician. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty or damaged pilot assembly on Southbend ovens. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly, the pilot light not staying lit, or the oven not reaching the desired temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the old front pilot assembly from the Southbend oven. This can be done by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 2. Once the old assembly is removed, take the new front pilot assembly and place it in the same position as the old one. 3. Securely fasten the new assembly in place with screws, making sure that they are tight and secure. 4. Connect any wiring or tubing that may be necessary for proper operation of the new front pilot assembly. 5. Test 2. Make sure that everything is working properly before using your oven again. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.